Good morning, March 10th. Today we continue our research, moving into the practical side of the crafting clarity category. We are looking for a way to turn the learning process from exhausting work into an exciting game. Our message of the day is: if you want to understand something perfectly, imagine yourself as a teacher of this material. Have you ever noticed how, while trying to explain a complex idea to someone, a light bulb suddenly switches on in your own head? This is not just a coincidence. It's a powerful psychological mechanism that researchers call the Protege Effect. By giving knowledge away, we turn it into our true strength. When we simply read or listen, we are passive consumers. But as soon as we prepare to pass this knowledge on, our brain switches to architect mode. Why does this work like social biohacking? Filtering meanings. Our mind automatically cuts out unnecessary noise and looks for the simplest, most logical connections. We don't just repeat information, we structure it. The sincerity test. We immediately see our own blank spots. If we cannot explain something in simple language, it means we haven't fully mastered it ourselves yet. Neural anchoring. Explaining things out loud activates the areas of the brain responsible for logic and speech simultaneously. This creates such strong neural connections that the information moves into long-term memory almost instantly. Try being a master for someone today. Chat with a colleague over coffee, a child, or even your favorite four-legged friend. Simplify the material to the maximum. Tell them about a new idea, book, or skill as if you were drawing a clear map. Speak out loud, even if you are alone. Let's talk through the topic in front of a mirror. Our voice is a tool that carves knowledge into the subconscious. We become true masters not when we accumulate knowledge, but when we become conduits for others. May your Tuesday be full of clear thoughts and new discoveries. I believe in each of you. The Crafting Clarity by Advance Embrace.